big detection device.
Okay. Okay. And warning signboards are there. Of course, you have warning signboards. Number 4.
You can put speed restriction.
Speed restriction. Okay. Warning signboard.
Speed restriction to I don't know what it will be, 30 or 40. What is the
Let us not quantify. Let us not quantify.
Okay.
Because it varies from location to location. And do you have what to say defensive driving? Defensive driving training?
Yeah, this is part of
We have-
IVMS and
Very good. So guys, for this we have got a lot of controls, so no need to worry. I'm happy. So this is okay. This is R1, R2. And where is next? Next is R3, work height. R1, R2 made green. We have done it. Yeah. Okay, now R3. Now work at height. Construction activity. This is drilling. Right, potential road accident. Vehicle fall from height. Fall from.
You can put drop object also.
Yeah. City. Potential impact fatality can happen. 4C, WMS. Company manual, method statement, contractor, preventive maintenance, HSCCS will not be there. Downgraded, no. Competency, toolbox, design, PPE, this is correct. So guys, we are happy with this one. And this is okay. Work at height, and you can also put PP there. Okay, PP there, correct. Now this is a green. R4 we have done. R4 I have